Unlock hidden geographical insights in your data and transform your Looker Studio reports by creating interactive maps. First, open your Looker Studio report and click on the Add a Chart button located at the top of the screen. A drop-down will appear. Scroll down until you find the Geo Map option. Select the specific type of Geo Map you want to use, such as a filled map or a bubble map, depending on your data. Now, in the Chart Setup panel on the right, assign your geographical dimension to the location field. This could be country, region, city, or any other geographical category in your dataset. Next, drag and drop the numerical metric you want to visualize onto the metric field. This could be sales, website visits, or any other relevant data point. Switch to the Style tab to customize the appearance of your map. Here, you can adjust the color palette, bubble sizes, zoom level, and other visual elements to enhance clarity and highlight key trends. Finally, interact with your map by hovering over regions to see specific values, applying filters to focus on specific segments, and drilling down for more detailed insights. Unleash the power of geographical data and make smarter decisions with Looker Studio.